So we trade spots today, guys. I'm gonna look out, and he the mechanic. Look
hey,
out,
man. That bitch already tight, man. God damn.
Y'all ever seen a light skin mechanic?
Damn. This don't even.
The other way. You gotta go the other way.
Halfway. Just a halfway mark. Buckets in Madison Square. Madisonville, not Madison Square Garden. Yeah, it's doing good so far. A little bit louder than that exhaust line.
Hold on, I'm out of your way. I'm gonna plug that rail and pop it up.
No.
I'll shoot your video, man.
I'm shooting the video here. Alright, y'all, we over here getting these injectors changed, man. Gotta get more fuel. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get more fuel up here to the front. Gotta get that fuel in this thing, man. Here it comes. We got these stock injectors. Who needs some stock injectors? Got them for sale. Stock injectors for sale. LSA. Let's see, what else? I gotta fix that little oil cooler thing. Fix the injector. Do the pulley. I'm gonna turn it up. Turn it up a little bit more.
Nitrous and the dynamo.
Oh yeah, the nitrous too. Yeah, nitrous and the dynamo. All coming up soon. Just stay tuned. Got the injector reel out of there. Got it up out of there real quick. Real quick. There it go right there. All this just to whoop Dominique, man. Dominique, you better bet too. Just stock stuff, man. About to take these injectors off. Put some new ones on. Bolt and go, Chief. You're just gonna bolt and go. That's it. I ain't trying to be doing no extra modification. Just bolt and go. Anyway, it was harder to take that injector rail out than I thought. You gotta take this out. Take all these bolts off. And then you gotta wiggle it, pull all this apart. Dang, man. Then you gotta hit all these bolts. Then you gotta wiggle, 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 wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle. Dang, that's too much. Let me see how you pop. Let me see how you pop one. I might have forgot. Trying to show the progress. Golly. I done had to get on here, take off all these lines and trim it. Look at that, man. Gotta take these lines off. That's hard, man. That. That's the transmission line. Lee, man, it's too much. I'm tired already. Look, all that just to take this out. I better feel some horsepower.
Richard talking about he got to finish that one up now. He had a car went down on the ground yesterday.
Talking about down here?
Yeah.
Look at who you were talking about.
Hey, man, what is it?
Who you were talking about down here?
I hope.
All right. Oh, is that right?
I ain't working on a mechanic. I ain't working on a mechanic.
That's a big long stinking ass program.
It ain't straight, is it?
Yeah, straight. You remember that I was coming out?
That's how it's gonna be?
Look out!
Bro. Hey, he don't want you to muscle.
This me look out race. I'm gonna go take a tour of the shop while the mechanic in the back. It's the deck 6 gen we got outside waiting to get full bolt ons. It's gonna have PRC heads, cam, little E85. Man, it feels good to be the YouTuber today, you know? I ain't gotta do no work. I ain't gotta do no work. Well, let me go. We gotta put a motor in this one, guys. I'll call y'all back.
Trying to get this put on there, man. Look, stock supercharged, put it in. I ain't have enough to do top and bottom, so I just did the bottom. I'm all over the road.
So expensive. You know you're expensive on the Mason man. You know what I'm trying to do? That just said.
What's this called? Evap sensor?
We got two.
Oh, pulley from got an old pulley from old Bill. Come on, baby. There go the first little run with the ice possible. Oh Lord. Ain't no telling what I done messed up. Let's get to this tune, y'all. I'm glad it can drive. Oh, it done went dead. Please don't start on that. They made every light come on, man. But it's idling right now. It sounds a little bit, sound like it's a little bit more choppier now with them new injectors in there, I ain't gonna lie. We trying to go and run that little gas out of here. I think I had put some 89 on the way out here. Oh, come on, baby. Easy now, easy. Got adjusted to these injectors a little bit already. Starting to idle a little bit better.